Now, then you go to the areas like this Katakwi, which she was talking about. Now, that is the idiocy of a police person. If people were not armed, they were fighting among themselves. Must be arrested already, I'm sure. Yes. So, in this process, you see, the process is like Mwezuga is the husks, the other. It has gone from the shisha. The shisha is the sheath. By threshing, you separate. But still, the husks are mixed with the millet. So you do now what they call okwera, winnowing. When you do like this, the wind takes the husks. You do it, takes the husks. And you remain with less husks, less husks. But then you are not finished. You put it in the, Banyakwera call it a shekuru. The mortar. The English call it mortar. I don't know why they call it mortar. Where again you pound. You pound with okshekura. Again you separate now the remaining husks. And then you winnow again, and the wind helps you take the. So we are now winnowing. After a long struggle, the NRM created a good formula for the country, digitally operated. Because the country has the money. For us, for the party, we don't have money to. Now, the lining up has exposed so you order results, we arrest you on forgery. We only need to audit and confirm. The stupid policeman who does not know how to use the gun, that one goes to jail for manslaughter. Conduct. The ones who are threatening people, if you get the evidence, you will go to jail for that. The ones who beat people, the same. You go to jail for attempted murder, for what? So, the process is going to clean up. Because we have already brought a good formula. This formula of lining up on the one hand, and digital on the other hand, is going to clean up this problem of voting, truthful voting, which we have been struggling for since 1961. Threats, like 1961 here in Uganda, they go and, because Mengo had said people should not take part in the elections of 1961. Now, the ones who did not listen to that boycott, their coffee was cut. They cut the coffee. I am engaging with young people on the social media. Some of them abuse me, say, you are very stupid. I said, okay, I'm stupid, but I am able to walk on my 2 feet. I answer them also, because they answer, I answer them. I don't have to fight with these children to win them over. And when I send messages to answer them, when there were 10 who were attacking me, you find only 6 remain. 4 answer back, say, the old man has made a good point. Then I remain with 6 who are still, yes, but when are you going home? Yes, going home is not a problem. My home is very well known. I can go home, but first solve your problems of Uganda. First of all, solve tribalism. Work for East African Federation, because you need it. You need it for your coffee. You need it for your sugar. For your sugar. You need it for your milk. You first work on your own things. Me have no problem. I have got my home to go to. Then when they answer back, you find that only 4 have remained. You use your language, your tongue, to persuade them, to win them over. So therefore, all those who have made a fool of themselves, like the one who Secretary General was talking about, the one of Butemba, the one who surrounded the press and announced himself, we shall go for him. That one is a candidate for jail. That's forgery, because what happened, we have no right to change it. We had a minister who beat people and was seen with guns. That one is in jail now. Is in jail, the minister. So therefore, this game is finished. I would appeal to Ugandans to be calm, just get the facts. I have seen some of them demonstrating. The demonstration, you may cause some confusion, because you may damage some property in the process. Simply write your points. We shall act. We are here. When I get these committees, the panels we are going to put at the zones will be, apart from Otango Doi, will receive the complaints, but I'm also monitoring with the police, with what, because like all these areas where I have intervened, I was told, because we have got systems all over the place. Secretary General told me about Katakwi, some people told me about Bukono, some people told me about Zimbabwe, some people told me about, and I'm really going to hold, because there is the structure of the government everywhere. There is a DPC in a district. Why should people be beaten and you are there and you don't act? And you wait for the president to come and put pressure on you. If you don't do that, I go for you. There's a GISO in every sub-county. Why should bad things happen there and you don't know? And you don't care? RDCs, all those people are there and they are accountable. Today we came for, so I want to assure everybody that what happened the other day was revolutionary. It was the medicine for the cheating which has been going on, and we have been struggling with it. We had used it before. In 1989, when we expanded NRC, we used the lining, but we changed it. In the 1995 Constitution, trying to be modern, secret ballot, what, but when people don't have a modern mentality, to be modern in actions, when people don't have a modern mentality, they have a backward mentality of cheating. So that's why we have now gone back to lining. And this lining, you have seen how popular it is and how useful it is. Anybody who thinks he can somehow manipulate it is wasting his time. He will end up in prison instead of parliament. Meanwhile, we are continuing to see how to strengthen the party. The other time, from our supporters, we mobilized the 80,000 bicycles. Now some of the people told me, oh, the old men, the LC chairman are too old to ride bicycles. No, I ride a bicycle. I don't think there are many chairmen who are older than me. Riding a bicycle is healthier than these motorcycles because you are exercising. Or if you don't want to ride the bicycle, you give it to the young people to use it for the mobilization in the village. And I'm glad the balance went to the parishes. So that means the villages are now covered and now the parishes are covered. So these motorcycles here are for the sub-counties. So now the sub-county chairpersons will get. That gap is also finished. We are now going to remain with vehicles for the district because we want to have four-wheel drive pickups or some type of four-wheel drive vehicles for the districts, the 146 districts. That also we shall handle. So it is my pleasure to be here today. But I want to thank the NRM people. We are really moving on the right side. This disease will go. I want you to be careful so that we get out of it. Otherwise, everything is moving very well. Security is very strong in the country. Please, don't make mistakes, and we lose you when things are beginning to improve. So it is my honor now to flag off these pikipikis for the sub-county NRM chairpersons. Thank you very much.